Hello students, in this video I will discuss some examples on Cauchy's integral formula. So this is the part of complex analysis paper, BSc 6th semester, mathematics paper 3, Karnataka University, Dharwad. So we shall discuss the examples on Cauchy's integral formula. So before seeing the problems, so first we shall see the statement of this Cauchy's integral formula. So if fz is analytic inside and on the boundary of C of a simply connected domain or region R, and if you take any point which lies inside the domain, or if you take any point z0 which is inside the region R, then this is the formula for that Cauchy's integral formula. F of a equal to 1 over 2 pi I integration of f of z divided by z minus a over the closed contour C along with this 1 over 2 pi I there. Or else you can take it 2 pi I into f of a. If you take z0 is any common point which lies inside C or inside the domain, so you can take this formula 2 pi I into f of z0. And now we shall discuss the problems here. So in the first problem we can evaluate integration of 1 by z into z minus 1 over the closed contour C, where C is the circle mod z equal to 3, which represents the circle with center at origin and radius 3 units. And you take the integrand of this, we can take it as pz. So that expression is 1 by z into z minus 1. This pz is not analytic, means if you equate this denominator equated to 0 there. So it means that z equal to 0 and z equal to 1, this function p of z is not analytic, means these 0 and 1 are the singularities of this p of z. So singularities, it means what, which gives the infinitive by substituting z equal to 0 and z equal to 1. So then these 2 points, now we can check these 2 points whether those 2 points which lies inside C or outside C. Anyway, since the domain of the circle is radius is 3, so then definitely these 2 points lies inside that domain. So now we consider the expression for this and simplifying by splitting these two z into z minus 1 into two terms by partial fraction. Then we can take the integration on both sides over the closed contour C. Then anyways it contains that when you compare with this in the formula, so it is here that is f of z divided by z minus a over the closed contour C. So it is 2 pi I into f of a there. Just to compare this with here, this is what we have here. Z 1 by z minus, see that 1 by z minus 1 and 1 by z here. And we can take it here, f of z is 1, which is analytic inside and on the boundary of C. Then we can have to take the f of z here, that is f of z divided by this z into z minus 1 over the closed contour C, and here also f of z. Now we can apply the Cauchy's integral formula by taking this a is 1 here in the first integral and a is 0 in the second integral. We have that you can find the values of f of 1 and f of 0 and substitute in that here. So in which that is 2 pi I into, that is result is because f of z is what we have here 1 there, so then definitely it would have 1 that at 0 and 1 there. So 2 pi I minus 2 pi I, it gives a 0 results. And you can see that is in the second integral there. So that which we have that integral of z plus 1, z plus 4 divided by z square plus 2z plus 5 over the closed contour C, where C is the circle mod z plus 1 plus I equal to 2 there. Radius is 2 but center is minus 1 there. So that is what here. So domain of the circle is radius 2, but you can draw a radius of that circle starts with the center is minus 1 and minus 1 that coordinates. And now we can see that let us take this z plus 4 by z square plus 2z plus 5, and then definitely it would have that here this pz will cease to be analytic if this expression of the denominator of this pz is 0. It means what? This pz fails to be analytic if supposed to be this denominator of z plus 4 divided by z square plus 2z plus 5 is 0. And that means you can find the factors here or roots of this quadratic equations. We have 2 roots, so plus or minus I, this 2i there, it is minus 1 plus or minus 2i. Definitely this pz is not analytic at these 2 points there. So means these 2 are the singularities of that pz there. So the circle which includes these points minus 1 plus 2i and minus 1 minus 2i, the point only that is minus 1 minus 2i lies inside the circle, whereas minus 1 plus 2i lies outside the circle, that because the radius of the circle is 2. So it starts with the center is minus 1 and minus 1 coordinate. Because the distance between this point of this z equal to minus 1 plus 2i, it means what? The minus 1 plus 2, this y is 2 and minus 1 is x there from this center there. So that is, it gives that is distance formula. We can find that is the distance here. We have a 3 there which is greater than 2. Definitely it would have that is minus 1 plus 2i lies outside, that's why. And distance between this point minus 1 minus 2i and center, which is gives that is 1 which less than 2 there, definitely it is lies inside C. That's why we have that only the point that is minus 1 minus 2i which lies inside the circle more z plus 1 plus I equal to 2 there. So then we can take the here for which point it become that point which lies inside C, you can take that expression in the denominator as we have a factors here. So this expression take in the numerator, that is z plus 4 divided by z plus 1 minus 2i, and remaining you can keep it like this, z minus I in minus of minus 1 minus 2i. Anyway, it is that which lies inside C. This is what it is, the point that is z naught or A there. So now you can treat this as in the numerator, you can treat it as a function f of z there. So now we can make use of the integral formula there. So we can find that is the 2 pi I into f of z naught. You can substitute z naught here in this f of z. So we get it, that is the result is, it is 2 pi I into this terms. So then definitely this, after simplifications, we get it 2i minus 3 into pi by 2 there. And next we shall see the next problem, find that is the integration of z by 9 minus z square into z plus I, where C is the circle more z equal to 2 there. And center at origin here and radius 2 units, definitely. And take that is z by 9 minus z square into z plus I as a pz. And this pz is not analytic at if this expression 9 minus z square into z plus I whole square, z plus I equal to 0. It means what? Z equal to plus or minus 3 and z equal to minus I, at which these 3 points are the singularities here. So but thing is that our domain is more z equal to 2, maximum domain is 2. So then but we have got it from this factorization, so that plus 3 and minus 3, and these 2 points which lies outside the circle more z equal to 2, and that point z equal to minus I which lies inside the circle. So then therefore integration of z by z minus z square into z plus I dz, that is what we have a expression this. So then we have that here f of z equal to z by 9 minus z square and z naught equal to minus I. Then applying the Cauchy's integral formula, we get that is the result is pi by 5. Similarly, you can do that results, evaluate the integral of e power z by z minus 2, and find the results of this also over the domain mod z equal to 3 there. And then we could get that results by treating that f of z is e power z. And then also we have in the fifth formula also, fifth problem also, we have 1 by z into z square plus 3. So then 9. So here point, because domain is mod z equal to 2. So only the point that is the z equal to 0 lies inside C. But function is what here it is 1 there. So that which have that here plus or minus 2 lies only that C, that plus or minus 3 I which lies outside, and whereas z equal to 0 is lies inside C. For evaluating this one, so that by make use of the Clausius integral formula we get the results is 2 pi I by 9. And similarly for this also, sixth problem also, same we have done in this video, all these results. So we have got it, the results is this. And also in the seventh problem also, only the 1 by z square plus z minus 6, you can find the factors of this, minus 3 plus 2 there. And then we have here both lies inside C, because since the domain of the circle is 4 there. So simplify this 1 by z plus 3z minus 2 by using the partial fraction, take the integration throughout there, and both the points which lies inside C you can make use of the Clausius integral formula. So since f of z is 1 there, so then we get it, that is z naught is minus 3 in the first integral and z naught is 2 in the second integral. We substitute here is this f of minus 3 and f of 2, so then which gives the result is 0 there. That is what we have discussed here. We have discussed all the examples of Clausius integral formula. Thank you.